I want to eat pancit on my birthday.
You wanna eat pancit on your birthday today? Yeah. Okay. Hello everyone! It's us again, ang feeling vlogger nga gamay na followers. So for today's video is birthday ni Jackie, yung bunso kong anak. At nag-request siya na gusto niya sa birthday niya ay pansit at saka lumpia. Pero wala akong lumpia wrapper. Kaya ang lulutuin ko na lang para sa kanyang birthday is pansit. So let's watch our video.
Hello everyone, this is my birthday, guys.
So today is my birthday.
Today is my birthday.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow. Are you a big girl now?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to eat pancit on my birthday.
You wanna eat pancit on your birthday today? Yeah. Okay.
I want to eat lumpia too.
Oh no, but we don't have lumpia wrapper. Uh-oh. What shall we do?
Because I'm so sad.
So sad. Sad daw siya. Come on, let's go.
Mom is
At ito na yung niloto ko. Pansit na request ng birthday girl. Request ni Jackie. Kanuway na kaya. At ayan.
wow.
Ano pa? Ayan, marami akong nilagay na sahog dito. Marami akong nilagay na sahog. Lagyan ko ng carrots, nilagyan ko ng atsal, bell pepper, at saka lagyan ko din ng mushroom, karning baboy, at sibuyas dahon. Ayan. So, ready na ang pansit gisado para sa birthday girl. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung handa ni Jackie sa birthday niya. Bukas na kami magluto ng talaga yung panghanda niya. Pero today, lang noodles. Kasi yun yung request niya. Noodles tsaka lumpia. Pero dahil wala akong lumpia wrapper, kaya pansit na lang ang niluto ko para sa kanya. At least, may isang ni-request siyang niluto ko. Yan, si Cassie. Ang dami niyang kinuha. Si Pila din, marami din siyang kinuha. You better eat it all, Cassie, ha? Put some for Jackie. Jackie, eat your food now. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung lunch nila ngayon. Careful. It's too hot. Nice. Are you happy now? I cook your favorite food, noodles, but there's no lumpia. Si Cassie. Do you like it, Cassie? Do you like it, Pilya? Yeah, as usual. Paborito ni Pilya at saka ni Jackie is pansit tsaka lumpia. Ang paborito naman ni Cassie is sinigang with rice. Si sinigang, Cassie, your favorite. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. It's no good like to eat when you're nampiling. Oh, nice. Stop watching and eat your noodles. Come on, birthday girl. Are you the birthday girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung handa niya sa birthday niya is pansit lang. Ayan. Pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Yummy, yummy. Kasi, are you gonna eat it all? Yeah, you better eat it all. So you feel, are you gonna eat it all?
Yes.
Si Yummy.
Yes, very yummy.
Si Yummy kasi. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Jackie, si Yummy. Yummy? Yeah. Eat it all. Yan, gustong-gusto nila. As usual, yung pansit. Pansit gisado. Lagyan ko yan ng maraming sahog. Pero walang repolyo.
Gazada.
Huh?
Gazada.
Nice. Eat it all. Oh, malapit na niyang maubos, oh. Si Jackie malapit ang maubos. Si Pilya din malapit ang maubos. Kasi marami pa sa plato niya kasi marami ang nilagay niya dyan sa plato niya. Kaya marami pang natira. Pero uubusin niya yan. Also si Jackie. Jackie, stop watching the television and eat your food. Yan yung pinanood ni Jackie. Kukubi. Na-addict siya sa kukubi.
Bed.
Ha?
Black cat in the bed.
There's a black cat in the bin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the black cat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
So cute. Hmm. Are you cute? No. Andito na naman kami ulit sa aming karinderya, sa aming munting restaurant. At saka maulan na naman sa labas. Dito kami nag-celebrate ng birthday ni Jackie dahil kailangan naming magtrabaho. Pambayad ng mga bills. Ang daming bayarin dito. Eat it all. You want some more kasi? I know you want some more. Are you full now? Shall we make palitaw? Or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Today.
Tomorrow, the one I told you, the flat mochi with
Why do it today?
coating in the what you call that? Sugar and the coconut.
Today.
You want it today?
Please.
Okay. Eat it all, then I'll make you the palitaw.
I
The
really
great.
want that taste of mochi.
Gagawa ako ng palitaw after nilang kumain ng lunch. Snacks nila mamaya. Mamayang hapon. Yun yung snack nila, palitaw. Yummy, yummy. Are you happy? I cook your favorite food in your birthday?
Yeah.
On your birthday or in your birthday? How do you say it?
On your birthday.
On your birthday, are you happy I cook your favorite food on your birthday?
Yeah.
Yes. Yan, nung sa birthday ni kasi nilutuan ko din siya ng paborito niyang pagkain, yung sinigang na manok. Ngayon naman, dahil birthday ni Jackie, nilutuan ko siya ng paborito din yung pagkain, ang pansit gisado. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jackie. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Buxton.
Come on.
Go, help her, Cassie. Yay! How old are you today?
6 years old.
6 years old.
Happy
Wow.
birthday.
Yung cake na squash sa
I
sasakyan.
wanna blow candle.
Go, blow one candle. 1 minute.
Mommy.
No, blow.
I want to blow candle.
Yay! Happy birthday, Jackie!
The thoughtful. Maraming salamat for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.